Baja Designs lights come with excellent weather-packed connectors that have removable pins, perfect for feeding the wires through small openings rather than cutting the plugs off. For most applications, we ship the housings with the lights pre-installed and wiring pre-routed through the small channels in the housings. We leave the pins open and ready to snap back into the harness plugs in case you need to run the wires through more small holes depending on your installation plans. If for some reason you need to extract the pins yourself, here are the steps. There are small flaps that flare out on the sides of the pins. When pushed into the connector, these lock the pins in place to keep them from pulling back out. To extract, you'll need a pin extractor tool which simply folds the flaps in to allow the pin to pull out of the connector. Gently spread the side locks open and flip the retainer up on the light harness plugs. Then, while pushing the wires into the plug, push the tip of the pin extractor tool over the end of each pin to fold the flaps in and allow it to disengage from the connector. After extracting the pins, use a tiny flathead screwdriver to gently flare the flaps back out so they'll lock back into the connector next time you put it in. Push the pins back into the connector and test to ensure that they are locked in before folding the retainer back into the lock position. When reassembling the connectors, note that terminal A in the plug is for the black wire and B is for the white wire.